This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not sending a 6-digit verification code. It can be incredibly frustrating when you're trying to log in or secure your account, and that crucial code just doesn't arrive. We'll go over the most common reasons this happens and provide you with a full guide to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. By the end, you'll have the knowledge to get back into your Roblox account smoothly and securely, ensuring your gaming experience remains uninterrupted. Let's start with the basics. First, double-check that the email address or phone number linked to your Roblox account is absolutely correct. A simple typo can prevent the code from reaching you. Also, don't forget to peek into your spam or junk folders. Sometimes these codes get filtered there by mistake. Finally, ensure your internet connection is stable and quickly check if Roblox itself is experiencing any widespread server issues, as this can affect code delivery for everyone. If the initial checks didn't resolve the problem, it's time for some deeper troubleshooting. Try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, or even switch to a different browser or device entirely. Sometimes, a temporary glitch in your current setup can be the culprit. Additionally, temporarily disabling any VPN or ad blocker software might help, as these can occasionally interfere with the delivery process. Always review your Roblox account security settings to confirm two-step verification is properly configured. If you've tried all the previous steps and the code still isn't arriving, contacting Roblox support is your next best move. Before reaching out, gather all your account details to make the process smoother. Clearly explain the problem and list the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. To prevent this issue in the future, always keep your contact information updated within your Roblox settings. Regularly checking your account security configurations ensures you maintain optimal protection and seamless access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.